Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Rodian. Today we're getting delivery of the steel beams that go right up in the loft. Well, I say the loft, upstairs on the pad stones that I showed you last episode. All in all, there's six beams. So one beam goes in here, one beam goes in between here, and one beam goes in between here. But we have two either side, so total that's six. So yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed, the truck that's coming to drop them off, the crane on it, well I say the crane, the loading arm should hopefully be able to take these beams and put them straight up in position. Once they turn up, we will assess and go from there. Right, while we're waiting, another quick pro tip: if you're on a building site and you can't find a chair anywhere, but you've got an abundance of wheelbarrows, there's your chair right there. But before you sit in it, make sure there's no water in it, otherwise you get a wet bum. And there you go. Yeah, you got a very comfortable chair. In fact, this is a lot more comfortable than a lot of chairs I've sat on building sites. Yeah. It's like a lazy chair, like a nice deck chair. If the sun was out, I'd be catching a few rays here at lunchtime, but unfortunately the sun ain't out. So I'm just sitting here waiting for the guys to turn up. Yeah, there you go, little building hack. Wheelchair doubles up as a chair. Wheelbarrow doubles up as a chair. Yeah, you should call it the wheelchair actually. But there you go. Lovely. Here we go, they're turning up. Let's go around and have a chat with them and see what the plan of action for getting the steels up here is. He's just going to back it up as far as he can, as close to the scaffold as possible, and see how it goes. Right, so we're not 100% sure whether the beams are actually going to get over here, but we're going to try the one in the furthest corner and see what happens. If it fits, it's fucking perfect if it can reach all that way. If not, we'll just have to work out another system. Probably just put them up on the walls as close to the front as possible. Right, while he's pulling that in, I'll better get off here and get on there. Right, there we go. One down, 5 to go. I'm so glad that could reach there. These beams aren't as heavy as that massive one that's down there. This one through here, it's not as heavy as that. So I can hump the last little bit into shape, but even just getting them up on the walls is so much easier. Right, okay, I don't know what I'm going to be doing video wise because it's quite quick paced here, but I'll get some stuff and yeah, right, let's get going. One, two, three, four, and now number 5. Looking pretty good. I'm so glad that we can just winch them straight in. Makes my life so much easier. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. Right, last 2, and then we just got to move them around, just get them in a straight line, and we're good to go. Bit wobbly coming in hot. Oh, that is going there and there. There we go, all 6 beams are in. That was way easier than I thought it was going to be. The beams need a little bit of adjusting, but I don't want to adjust them too much because I haven't backed up the brickwork behind these walls. So I'm going to build that up first, and then this section here just needs pulling in a fraction, and this section, I think this section's all right. So it's not really too bad. So yeah, we're looking good. I'm so glad that crane reached all the way up here, even to the furthest point. That just made life so much easier. Do you remember that video I had where I was lumping the ones downstairs by myself and almost fucking lost it? We ain't having that this time. It's all done. We're all good. So yeah, perfect. So yeah, lovely. He's just going to pack up now, have a quick cup of tea, and yeah, and then get on with it. That's how you put 6 steels in under an hour. It was 58 minutes it took to put all that in. And there we go, they're all in, job done. I need to get in contact with the chippy, get him to come round, get a price up for all the timbers while I put the rest of that brickwork in. So next episode we're going to be looking at, first off, building the other side of this wall in brickwork and doing the chimney stack. Right, there we go guys, I'll leave you here for this episode. We've got the beams in, I can chill out a little bit now. Subscribe if you aren't already. This is a great time to get involved in this channel. There's plenty more going on here, and again, once we build this house, we've got another house to build next door. And leave a like if you enjoyed this. Remember, if there's anything you want me to make a video about, or anything you want to talk to me about, or anything like that, just get me down in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Yeah, okay, till next time, have a good one and take it easy.